On 5th October 2025, Microsoft released new Windows version, which is Windows 11. And now you may be thinking it's time to Windows 12. Absolutely not. And let me tell you why Microsoft not going to release Windows 12. This is just because of Windows development life cycle. In back days, they already announced like Windows version is generally considered around 5 years development cycle, right? Microsoft also ending the Windows 10 support on October 14, 2025. But still they are stick to 5-year development life cycle. So basically from 2021 and now it's 2025, it's only 4 years. Currently we are in 5-year development cycle, so most probably Microsoft working secretly on Windows 12, so they are going to release Windows 12 next year, right? So what is happening in 2025? So they are releasing Windows 11 version 25s2. So Windows 11 25s2 is an enablement package that will change the version number of Windows 11, and the final version is expected to release towards the end of 2025. And you will get here so many features related to like new cloud Windows search on Copilot PCs and new setting homepage, new system tray icons related to emojis, many more features they are developing. In future videos I will tell you what new features are coming to this version. Windows 11 version 25s2 mainly focusing on the gaming and security and Copilot integrations. Basically in future versions, so Copilot AI will be everywhere. In your notepad, in your paint app, all will have Copilot AI. That's really bullshit and so many people don't like it. Maybe they are not going to adopt Windows 11 completely. Let me know what you are expecting from the Windows 12 in the comment section.